Could Bob Bashara get a second chance? Recently filed documents could lead to a new trial for the Grosse Pointe man doing time for the murder of his wife. It is good to have you with us tonight for Local 4 News at 11. We first reported back in January that the man who admitted to killing Jane Bashara had changed his story again.
That's right, Devin. Joe Gentz, currently in prison for the murder, refuted his testimony. And now Bob Bashara's attorney has filed new paperwork in the fight to get Bashara a new trial.
Kimberly Gill following this story for us tonight. She's live with more on what these documents say. Kim?
Yeah, Devin, it's actually one of the more recent items on this document here that really tells the story. It's called a motion for writ, and basically it's just a legal way of requesting that a prisoner be brought from prison and taken to court. And in this case, they're talking about Joseph Gentz. Could Joe Gentz's new story help Bob Bashara get a new trial?
I doubt that Judge Evans is going to go out on a limb to order the Department of Corrections to bring a very controversial, high-profile prisoner from prison to the courthouse unless there's something there.
Gentz's original story was that Bob Bashara hired him to kill his wife, Jane. But while serving time in prison for the crime, Gentz changed his story, saying he was coerced by police to lie and that Bob Bashara had nothing to do with it.
Yet here's a man who has never testified, who by his own admission was the trigger man who killed Jane Bashara, whose voice has never been heard in this case. And he's now coming forward and saying that Bashara is not guilty.
Fast forward now to this motion filed last week by the attorney representing Bashara. This paperwork is the legal way of saying the defense is requesting Joe Gentz be transported from prison to the courtroom and ultimately testify under oath.
Joe Gentz having no voice in this case is like doing Hamlet without actually having anybody play the role of Hamlet. If he even has one shred of believability, look out. We could be looking at another trial.
Now, as to when we might see Joe Gentz and Bob Bashara back here in court again, it actually could happen as early as the first couple of weeks in April. But ultimately, that decision will be left up to Judge Vonda Evans. We are live tonight in downtown Detroit. Kimberly Gill, Local 4.